Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2016 Kia Forte LX in this great looking polar white color. This front wheel drive, 4-door, 5-passenger sedan comes equipped with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission. Starting up front with some of the notable exterior features, you've got that classic Kia grille up front, as well as the big projector beam headlights, which gives this vehicle a nice touch of style. As you come around to the side of the vehicle, you've got the 15-inch steel rims that the vehicle currently rides on with those nice Kia hubcaps. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the tread on the tires as well. As we continue down the vehicle, you've got a nice compact design to the side profile. And as we come around to the rear of the vehicle, you'll notice the color-matched roof fin antenna. And in back here, you've got the Forte badging, as well as, of course, the Kia badging. This is a super affordable sedan, and it's loaded with lots of great features, so let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at all the notable bells and whistles. Hopping inside, this Forte is nice and easy thanks to the remote keyless entry. Simply hit the unlock button on the key fob and you'll be inside. You've also got the trunk release button there, which is a really handy feature, and you've got a nice flip out key. Opening up the door, you're greeted with this great looking fabric interior, the very nice accent stitching along the headrest and the bolster, and in the center of the seat there you got that nice design. Just below the driver's seat you will find the manual adjustments for the seat, and if we take a look at the footwell there you'll find the nice Forte mat. So let's go ahead and hop inside, fire this vehicle up, and take a look at some of the notable interior features. The features inside this Kia start over here on the driver's side door panel with the nice padded black leather armrest with the accent stitching, which gives it a nice premium look. This is also where you'll find the controls for your power windows, locks, and mirrors, and as an added bonus, your driver's side window is automatic down. Underneath here, you do have a little bit of extra storage in the door panel, as well as an extra cup holder. And if you take a look just to the right here, you'll find the dimmer switch for the gauge cluster, as well as the active eco button. If you press that, you'll be sure that you're getting the best possible fuel economy. And just above that, you've also got the traction control button, so you can toggle that on and off. Over on the steering column here, you will find the manual adjustment for your tilt and telescoping steering wheel. And speaking of your steering wheel here, you've got a nice 3-spoke design with the bolsters up top, which gives the wheel a nice ergonomic feel. Over on the left-hand side here, you've got your audio controls, which includes your volume rocker and mute button. Below that, you'll also find the voice recognition button, as well as the 2 Bluetooth hands-free calling buttons. Over on the right-hand side here, you'll find the audio mode button, as well as the track selector button. And you've also got the trip button as well as the reset, so you can reset the 2 different trips and track your kilometers. Up in the little digital display there, you've got the range as well as your average and instant fuel economy, and at the bottom there you've got the gear that the vehicle is in as well as your odometer, and you can see that this vehicle currently has 106,951 kilometers on it. Over in the center of the dash here at the very top, you've got the passenger airbag warning as well as a nice digital clock and the exterior temperature. And of course, you've got the adjustments for the clock just to the right there. Below that, you'll find the hazard lights as well as the CD player. And as we continue down here, you've got the nice audio unit. And in terms of your audio options, you have your standard AM, FM radio. You've also got XM radio as well as a USB and auxiliary input. And you can also hook up your phone via Bluetooth, so you can be sure that you can listen to your own audio regardless of the type of device that you have. Just below that, you'll find the single zone climate controls for the vehicle, but it does come with air conditioning for those hot summer days, which is a very important feature in the Okanagan. As we continue down here, you've got a nice little slide over panel, and opening that up will reveal the USB and auxiliary input that I just mentioned, as well as 2 12-volt outlets to keep the devices charged up. And you've got a nice little tray there that you can drop your phone in. Of course, when you're done with it, you can always slide it over and give it a nice polished look. As we continue down here, you've got the shifter, and of course you can put that into a standard mode if you're looking to manually shift between the gears. As we continue down, you've got the nice centrally located parking brake as well as the 2 cup holders. Then you get a nice padded armrest in the center here, and if you open that up, you'll reveal your nice center console with the tray up top to put the smaller items and keep things organized. And underneath there, you've got a nice carpeted bottom and a large storage compartment. Over on the passenger side here, you've got your standard glove box with lots of room inside. And if you take a look over at the passenger side door panel there, you'll find the same great design that we found on the driver's side, as well as, of course, the controls for the power locks and the passenger side window. Finally, if we take a look up top here, you'll find a nice sunglasses holder, as well as some interior lights. So that concludes the features up front. Let's go ahead and hop in back and take a look at some of the features in the rear of this vehicle. In the rear of this vehicle, you got more of that same great fabric seating that extends all the way across the rear bench seat. You've also got lots of legroom for the rear passengers back here, and these seats also do fold down on a 60/40 split, and I'll show you where that's done in just a moment. Take a quick glance here at the rear door panel, and you'll find the same great design that we found in the front, as well as, of course, the switch for the rear window. And underneath, you've got an extra cup holder, as well as a little bit of storage. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk. You can use the key fob there. And inside, you've got lots and lots of storage area in this carpeted cargo bay. And up top here, you'll find the latches to release the back seats, so you can fold those down in that 60/40 split. And of course, underneath here, you've got a fix-a-flat kit in case you ever get a flat. And you've got some extra storage underneath here, which is really handy. That concludes this short video walk around, but the stylish and affordable Kia will not last long, so make sure you stop by Kelowna Toyota, located at 1200 Leahead Road, or visit us online at KelownaToyota.com for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.